Once upon a time, in a lush forest, there lived a small mouse. Nearby, there was a huge bear who had hibernated all winter and was still sleeping and snoring loudly. The little mouse had been unable to sleep all winter because of the bear's snoring, so one day he decided to wake him up. "Mr. Bear, hey, summer has come. You can wake up any time now," called the mouse, but the bear continued to sleep. The mouse returned with a bugle and blew vigorously, but still, the bear did not wake. Saddened and restless, the mouse wandered through the forest, where he met some animal friends. "What happened, little mouse? Why are you sad?" they asked. "All winter I couldn't sleep because of the bear's snoring, and he still won't wake up," the mouse replied. "Maybe the lion can help," one friend suggested. The mouse hesitated. "Why would I talk to him? He's the king of the forest, and his roar is so loud everyone jumps instantly." But realizing it might be his only hope, the mouse went to the lion. The lion was sleeping in front of his cave. The mouse was terrified and almost gave up, but accidentally stepped on a branch, waking the lion. "What's that noise? Who's there?" the lion demanded. King of the forest? Sorry to wake you. I came to ask for your help. My neighbor, the big bear, won't wake up from hibernation. Nothing I do works. Since I'm small, I can't wake him, but one roar from you could solve everything. You're not even snack-sized. Why should I help a tiny mouse like you? The lion replied dismissively and walked away. The lion went to a hidden corner and leaned against a tree, itching uncontrollably. The little mouse, returning home sadly, heard wheezing from the depths of the forest. Investigating, he found the lion scratching himself furiously. The mouse approached carefully and saw tiny fleas jumping in the lion's fur. "You have fleas! Let me help," said the mouse. "Leave me alone." "You're just a little mouse," the lion growled. Ignoring the protest, the mouse bravely climbed onto the lion and began removing the fleas. The lion writhed, splashed into a nearby lake, and shook violently, but the mouse held on. Finally, after great effort, the mouse removed the last few fleas. "How do you feel now?" asked the mouse. "Much better. I'm embarrassed I was rude to you. Thank you for helping me despite my behavior," said the lion. "You're welcome, Mr. Lion. Hop on my back and I'll take you home," said the mouse. Together, they returned to the mouse's home and heard the bear's loud snoring. Entering the cave, they found the bear still asleep. The lion, taking a deep breath, roared so powerfully that the stone floor shook. At last, the bear woke up and ran outside, confused. "What's happening? Did the sun come out? Is it summer?" he asked. All the forest animals laughed at the big, silly bear, and the little mouse was thrilled that he could finally sleep peacefully again.